Hey there, this is Avdi with WideTeams.com, bringing you another video test drive. This time, I'm taking a look at a tool called Cardmeeting. Now, to give you a little background, one of the most versatile tools that you can have when you're running a meeting in person is the good old stack of 3x5 index cards. They're simple, but they're effective. You can do all kinds of things with them. You can lay them out on the table. You can pin them up on the wall. And it's just one of the most useful tools you can have when you're having a meeting. You can jot down notes and shuffle them around, put them in stacks. And, it's just one of those basic tools that everybody uses. And when you're a dispersed team, you don't have that. And there are a lot of tools out there to facilitate remote meetings, but sometimes they can be a little bit of overkill. Sometimes you really just want that stack of 3x5 cards, and there's actually a free tool that tries to simulate the experience of pushing index cards around on a table. It's called Cardmeeting. It's at cardmeeting.com, and I'm looking at the login page right now. And I have a session open. So here's the Cardmeeting main interface, and it's just a basic blank screen right now. But what I can do is I can start dragging out cards onto this workspace, and I can put a little text in them. And I'm going to make another one. Here's a yellow one. And here's a green one. And I can click on these and drag them around. I can put them anywhere I want, put them on top of each other, or spread them around. And the interface allows me to zoom in on them to see a small group and read the text really easily. Or I can zoom out. If I had a whole bunch of cards, I could zoom out and see all of them at once. And when I mouse over them, I get a preview of the card up close so I can see what's written on it. Really just a really basic interface here. It's pretty much you can put cards on the table and you can zoom in and out, and that's about it. But what's really cool about this is you can have your whole team logged into this at once, and they can all manipulate the cards and add new cards and take cards away. They can all do this at once. So I actually have this tool logged in on another machine, and I'm gonna start move a card around a little bit here on the other machine. You can see my mouse pointer isn't moving because I'm actually moving this remotely, and it's keeping up pretty well. And I can add a red card from this machine. Now that red card was created remotely. So this is just a really basic tool to simulate the experience of moving index cards around on a tabletop for a distributed team. And I'll give you a tip for using this. If you happen to be lucky enough to have a touchscreen display, I think that's probably the very best way to experience this tool, because it's actually, you can actually just put your finger on the card and move it around. It's almost as good as the real thing. So that's cardmeeting.com. It's a completely free tool. It's a Java applet in a web page. The spaces that you create on here, once you create an account, they're persistent. So you can create a tabletop and you can put cards on it, and then you can log out and you can log back in again, and they'll still be there, which is pretty nice. I don't know if there are any tools provided for exporting images or anything like that, but certainly for just a quick collaboration session, it's very useful. Hey, if you liked this video, I do hope you'll share it with your friends. Tweet it out, share it on Facebook or whatever. And please do check out the website. It's wideteams.com for articles, videos, screencasts, podcasts, interviews, all about geographically dispersed teams and remote work. Thanks a lot.